What's up guys, today we are looking at these baby on board signs. So this is made by ONEBRAND and it is board sign for the car. It's a warning sign. It's 2 pieces. It says it's a sticker sign as well with suction cups, so I think it's has both options. It's waterproof and durable. It also says it's got a high quality sticker. It's heat resistance. Yeah, let's have a look at this. Okay. You get 4 suction cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's no branding on this. Baby on board. It's like laminated paper. And these slip into here. And then this would stick on the surface. Yeah. Okay. So that's that. I want to see if there's an actual sticker. I don't think so. This looks like it's not a sticker. Don't know why it says it's a sticker. So just in case if you were wondering that if this is a sticker, let me check the customer review. So this was bought for about £4, I believe. No, about £3 on Amazon. So all the pictures show it using the suction cup. Let's have a look here. Nothing. This doesn't stick to the window. It's flimsy. Doesn't stay rigid. Yeah, I noticed that it's kind of already flexed. You see here, it has its own natural shape. Both signs melted out of shape due to the car being warm. Waste of money, will not stick at all. Does not work how it's supposed to. Suction pads on my signs are as flat as a pancake. Yeah. Well, these are definitely not stickers, and the suction cups, yeah, they are kind of flat, so I don't know how long it will last. But there we have it. These are the onboard baby on board signs. Sorry, these are the ONEBRAND baby on board signs from Amazon. If you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.